Hi, I'm Sue Rose with Expert Village, and today we're talking on the elements and principles of design. We've covered the elements, and now we're working on the principles. Principle number 3 is movement, and it is the path that takes the viewer's eye through the artwork to focal areas, generally to the object, particularly in a still eye, that is to remain in the forefront and is where you want the viewer's eye to go first and to remain. Movement is very important in painting. Actually, what is the ideal painting is where, through color or movement or using the various principles and elements of design, the viewer's eye will go around in a circle around the painting and always come back to that regular focal point. One of the things to remember in movement, this is the plane of my painting here, and one of the things to remember that is very important in a painting, tips, is that you do not want any type of a line, be it horizontal, vertical, or diagonal, that takes the viewer's eye out of the picture plane or out of the painting. Remember, no line should take you out of the painting. So if I have a plane here, a very simple plane, picture plane here, and a horizontal line here, my eye is going to go from this side to this side, and it's going to go out of the painting. The same works true on a diagonal. The thing to do is to keep the viewer's eye with a horizontal line like this. You may want to add a tree here, which brings the viewer's eye back into the painting. Conversely, if I have a diagonal line of a tree or something here, of a stream or a hill or something here, then I again would want to add a tree here in a landscape to keep the viewer's eye from going out of the page. Another thing to remember is in painting is when you are doing movement or line, you never want to have any triangles in the corners. It's very important to not have any triangles in the corner. And when you're using line for movement in a painting, make sure that each segment is not the same size as the other. Remember, we want to repeat and we want to have different shapes and sizes. Stay tuned for the next segment, which was on pattern.